Hey, welcome to another show. Today on the show, I'm going to be showing you how to make dynamite. Not the real dynamite, this is fake, but something that you can use as a movie prop on your show. Stay tuned. Hey, thanks for joining the show today. Just want to make real clear that this is not real dynamite, completely fake. You're going to be using this as a movie prop on one of your shows or in your movie, your TV show, or whatever. So let's get started. All you need to get started with is some type of a pipe or a wooden dowel. On my dynamite, I used PVC pipe and I cut it in 7 10-inch pieces, and then I filled in the PVC pipe with some foam insulation like this, and then I cut it off with a razor blade to make it nice and even. But what I found out when I did that is that it created some bubbles in there, and but you're never going to see that as a distance. So I found out that it looks pretty good. But if you want to even get a little bit better piece of dynamite, get yourself a wooden pole like this, cut it in 7 10-inch segments, and 10 inches is a nice size, I think, for a movie prop. And I think you'll get a little better result because you don't have to worry about filling in the PVC pipe, with the foam insulation, and look nice and smooth. But whatever you have laying around in your garage or in your studio, use that. Okay, let's go down in my studio and finish the project.
Welcome back.
All right, we're on our last step of the project that we're doing. We're making a movie prop of a bunch of dynamite that you might see in the movies. And so what I did is I put a little strap here, and I lined it up so that one would be right in the middle here, and the other 6 would be on the outside. And I put the strap here because when I painted over the PVC pipe, some of the names were showing, or some of them weren't colored exactly what I wanted to, so I just kind of rotated them. And so now it's for the next step where I'm going to be putting on tape. On this one here, I did have a hole in one of the pieces of foam, so I just stuck my wire. I'm going to stick my wire right in there, and you won't see it because when I'm doing the show, most of the time the dynamite's going to be facing like this, and it's going to be kind of in a distance, so you won't see the close-up shots. Next step, I'm going to be putting black tape. I have this Scotch brand tape. This is kind of like a photo type tape, so I'm going to try that instead. All right, as you can see, now we have a bundle of dynamite. At some time, I might actually write the words on here, dynamite, but for right now, I'm pretty happy with my results. So let's go ahead and put the wire into it. And last but not least, I picked this up at the second-hand store, would you believe it? For $7. This is super cool. Tighten this here. No, oh, be careful. Now I'm going to push this up. Now wait. I'm going to put this right over here.
No, the puppet.
Okay. Where should we put the dynamite? Right here? Right there. Yeah. This is you got to be very careful, okay? You don't do this at home alone. This is only for professionals. Now, are you ready? Yeah. You want to stand up and do it?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go! Whoa! Oh my goodness, that was an awesome explosion! Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. If you have ideas for making movie props, put them down in the comments below. Please make sure you check out our other videos on here. We have drawing videos, we have product review videos, fishing videos, all types of fun videos for the family. Like always, have a fun day. Adios, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.